In this video, I'm going to show you how to trade on Oanda platform. So the first thing you want to do is you want to go to oanda.com, and then over here you have a few options. Now, of course, first you must create an account, so either a live one, or a demo account, and then you want to click on My Account, top right, and then here you want to click on Trade Online. Now this will direct you over here to this page, and then from here you can just basically sign in. So I'm just gonna go do this, click accept, and then there we go, it's automatically logged me in, as you were able to see. So basically this is gonna be the first part. Now over here, let me actually see if I can show you this. Okay, I actually can sign out like this. So yeah, basically you're going to be directed to the login page of the trading platform, and you just want to sign in with your account. So after you've done this, here you can then start trading on Oanda platform. And the way you can do this, here on the left, of course, you first will see a bunch of different things. You can draw on the graphs, etc. And then over here, you can basically create a new order. And the way to do this is by clicking over here. So as you can see, currently I am on gold, but if you want to do something different, you can go over here and then you can search for whatever you want. So let's say I'm going to do crypto, and I'm just going to do Bitcoin USD, which is going to be kind of the standard. Okay, so there we go. I've selected Bitcoin USD, and then to trade, you want to click on create new order down here. And then this is gonna basically allow you to select how much you would like to do. So let's say I want to buy 0.1 Bitcoin, and then if you want any stop losses or take profits, you can do that as well, or you can just sell and buy by market over here. So what I'm gonna do here is I'm gonna buy by market, but of course, if you click up here, you can also buy limit, buy stop, sell stop, or buy stop limit and sell stop limit. So you can do whatever you want. This is up to you, but of course, that's how you do it. You just click over here, buy by market, then you press OK when it says done, and then there we go. As you can see over here, that's pretty much that. And again, you can of course do that as many times as you want, because this is completely up to you. You can create a new order up here, and then let's say I'm gonna do a 0.1, and now I'm going to sell by market because I just had that. There we go. And you can of course also close these positions by just clicking over here, etc. Okay, so that's pretty much it. That's how to trade on Oanda platform. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.